it. She gonna let us look as soon as we finish.
Right there. Oh, we can see.
Yeah, they just have to move their head.
Take a picture of this. Look at your mom's face.
Can get very scared if people make too much noise or they move around too much. So
go back. Sorry, go back.
Okay, this is my friend Candy. This is a real live corn snake. She is not poisonous. She does not bite. She is not a dangerous snake at all. She's a real live corn snake. That's right. This is Candy. Her name is Candy. And let's talk about Candy and some of the things that we learned in class. Does anybody remember if she has any appendages?
This morning, if you can see, and I think that you'll like. So if you hold the door open, oh look, quickly, see there? This guy hatched out about an hour ago. When his wings are closed on the outside, he looks like a monarch. But when he opens his wings, you can see that it's a queen. It's called mimicry. Monarchs are poisonous to birth. He straightens them up, and then by waving them back and forth, he thinks he's about ready to fly, and I think he's about ready to fly. And if he flies, he'll probably on his first flight, he'll follow around the room, maybe once or twice. Like brothers did. Let's go. Where'd he go?
He's in the tray.
He's in the tray.
Did he fall?
Yeah, he thought he wasn't quite ready to fly. I let him walk on me. I did not touch his wings because I don't want him to not be able to fly. Let's see if we can get you up the wood here.
Man, there's a lot of
Now, hopefully he'll crawl to the top, and that'll give him enough altitude when he starts flying again. If you look around, you're going to see a lot of butterflies with long wings, not wings like this. There'll be these.
Look at Caitlin. She just got one land on her. That's so cool.
Oh, sure do.
Look, he's running to land for you. Keep walking around. We're going to make a big loop and then go out.
Diontre. Come here, Diontre. Come here. Don't swat it, Diontre. Great shot.
Same way. Do you remember how the mouth works?
You see?
So you can look at these charms, and you never know, if they see a finger, they might think it's food and take a little nip at it. I want that to happen.
What is that guy doing? Don't touch them now. The water's dirty.
Look at that line. I don't take that one. This is
These are real pretty animals. Area. Go that way. Go ahead. Go ahead. Now, have you ever seen a ferret? It is in the weasel family, so its cousin is a ferret. They're related. And if you look at it, you can see that there's quite a resemblance. And they have a very, very sharp jaw, too. This is Murphy, who's very, very playful. Sometimes we'll take him out and let him run around in a room that he can't get out of, just exercise. But you have to wear very special gloves because even though he's playing with you, he has such sharp teeth that he could bite you without meaning to. You know, so we have to be.
Is that where they get meat coat from?
Yeah.
Why they kill a lot of those then, right?
They would, yeah, people farm them and then, you know.
the reason why they got.
Yeah.
The reason why.
But he's kind of rescued.
Is he gonna eat that dead mouse?
Well, he already kind of took one apart.
Come on out, Deontre. Come on out, Deontre. Come on out. Get out, boy.
It's a pretty squirrel. You don't think that it's
Ooh, be careful. What's that, Deontre?
Okay, yeah. Okay, you know what, guys? Because we are sitting in the middle of the
Wow. Look, this guy got something on him, look. He's pregnant, I bet.
Look at those teeth.
Sorry, go out the other end.
Look at the beans. There's.
He's hungry. Mama ain't Life is amazing, isn't it?
Hey, look how big they are.
Yeah. Yeah, that one's trying to help him come out, wasn't he? That is a big bird right there.
Put it back.
It's a fox. The gray fox.